Marketing is changing faster than ever. Your buyers are jumping from Instagram to email to your website in minutes. Your competitors can spin up a full campaign before lunch, and your team is being asked to do more with less while also figuring out how to use AI. So, in this video, I want to walk you through something very practical: how to build an AI powered marketing strategy from the ground up. By the end, you'll know where AI actually fits, how to use it at each stage of your strategy, and what you can start doing this month, not in some far off transformation project. Let's start with a simple question: what makes a marketing strategy actually effective today? For a long time, strategy meant big annual plans and fixed calendars. That world is gone. Today, an effective strategy rests on three pillars. First, customer truth from data. You can't rely only on gut feeling anymore. AI helps by sifting through the noise of your analytics, CRM events, and chat logs to find actionable patterns. Second, systems that learn your strategy can't be a static document. It has to be a living system. AI helps you run more experiments, measure results with more clarity, and make micro adjustments weekly instead of quarterly. Third, operational discipline. AI doesn't replace fundamentals like clear positioning and goals. What changes is the speed and precision with which you execute. A modern strategy isn't AI instead of marketing. It's classic marketing, advanced by data, automation, and intelligent models. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest questions. How does AI help you find your best customers? On the analytical side, predictive models help you segment by behavior, not just demographics. Instead of targeting companies of a certain size, you can target companies that show specific engagement signals, like downloading a resource or using a key feature A. I can assign a likelihood score to identify who is most likely to convert or become a high-value customer. Then there's the creative side. Traditional personas are static. AI-driven personas evolve over time, fed with real language from call transcripts and reviews. You don't just know a persona is price sensitive, you hear exactly how they talk about it. For example, one software company we worked with used a propensity model to find a new, high-converting subsegment in healthcare, growing their pipeline by 38% in one quarter. Competitive advantage increasingly comes down to speed to insight, and speed to action. You can use AI to monitor competitor websites, pricing pages, and job postings automatically. When a competitor changes their offer or launches a new feature, you can know sooner. AI can also watch social chatter and search trends to track sentiment shifts. This helps you avoid optimizing around yesterday's topic when the conversation has already moved on. For instance, a consumer brand we worked with used AI to monitor competitors' discount cycles. The model learned when to hold price and when to shift budget, increasing their profit per order by 9% during their peak season. So, how does AI fit into the classic 4 Ps of marketing: product, price, place, and promotion? For product, AI helps you analyze feedback and support tickets to identify what to build or improve next. For price, it can model demand and competitor behavior to recommend optimal price points. For place, AI helps you optimize channel spend by blending conversion data and cost curves to see which channels add incremental value. And for promotion, you can generate ad concepts, pre-score them for likely performance, and orchestrate customer journeys based on real-time behavior. This framework allows you to apply AI systematically across your entire marketing mix. All of this is powerful, but only if you can measure it properly. You want to look at both what's happening now and what's likely to happen next. On the now side, AI can connect data from all your platforms and highlight anomalies, like a sudden drop in signups. On the next side, you can move beyond just click-through rates and start tracking predicted pipeline, revenue, and churn. These forward-looking metrics give you room to adjust before issues appear in your results. Attribution becomes less about arguing over credit and more about making directionally sound decisions with confidence. Every campaign becomes a learning loop, with AI helping you catalog hypotheses and scale what works. So, what's the next step? You don't have to transform everything at once. Here's a simple path. Step 1. Assess your readiness and set clear goals. Pick 1 or 2 moments in the customer journey that really matter. Step 2. Pilot one use case with clear boundaries. This could be propensity scoring for paid media or a smarter email journey for trial users. Run a 4 to 6 week pilot with a clear go or no go decision at the end. Step 3. Document what you learned and scale. Turn your pilot into a playbook that can be reused and expanded to adjacent use cases. If you want support, that's where AI Smart Ventures comes in. We help you go from interest to impact. The bottom line is this: AI doesn't replace good marketing, it amplifies it. If you're ready to see what AI could do for your marketing, reach out for a strategy consultation with our team.